All right guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install a dryer cord, black 4-prong. So this is only for 4-prong. So this could work on any machine. It could be a GE. In this case, it is a GE, but Whirlpool, Samsung, LG, doesn't matter. So I'm going to show you how to connect all the wires. First things first, this is a jumper or a grounding strap, and when you're hooking up a black cord, you're going to remove this, okay? You can take it off or you can bend it and keep it for safekeeping. So if you ever move to another home and the plug is different, then you will need this, okay? If this was a 3 cord, you would leave that. So we're not concentrating on 3, we're concentrating on black. That's the black. So you have your green, which is ground, black, line, red, line, and your white, which is neutral. All right, so insert your cord. Now I like to put the ground first, get it out the way. It's a lot easier because once all the wires are connected, it's going to be difficult to do it. Now, 2 ways to do this. You could lay your dryer on the front, lay a blanket down, and you can just work on it like that, or you can just get on your knees and do it this way. It's up to you. Now your green, it can really go anywhere you see a hole. It does have a specific spot, so if you can get it there, go ahead and put it there. It says ground. And the screw also is a green screw for the ground. And you want to make sure that you don't pinch any of these wires. If you pinch these wires, you're going to have a problem. So always make sure that the wires are good and they're not pinched, or the insulation is not removed. Otherwise you'll have a short, might trip the breaker, all that bad stuff. How tight should you make these? You want to make sure they're tight enough to where you can't move the cord, okay, or the wire. So snug, no shaking, no vibrating, just nice and tight. But do not over torque them because you'll damage that especially those Phillips screws, they're very soft. Now the white, which is your neutral, you might be a little bit concerned because it's yellow and it doesn't match. Don't be alarmed, it is neutral. Your main thing is you want to make sure that your black is to black, red is to red. In fact, you could actually put red on black, but I'm not going to confuse you. It carries the same amount of power, so it does not matter. But you definitely want to make sure it's easier, color code, everybody stays happy. But definitely make sure you keep your white with that. Every appliance will have some may have a little bit different color. I think Samsung as well. No, Samsung's white, but it doesn't matter. Just make sure you keep the white in the middle. This guy you want to keep. You can tuck him with the screw once you put them back together. Don't throw it away. All right, so that's done. Next thing you should do, you don't have to, but it is highly recommended. This is your cord restraint. And what it does, it protects your cord. If the dryer accidentally gets yanked out, and it could damage the power block or the cord, and it could move or shift the wires to where they start to touch metal. So very important to have this on, but if you don't have it, you're totally fine. Sometimes you have to push the cord in so you can get a good connection. Sometimes you have to use pliers or a channel lock to squeeze it before you'll get a good bite. So angle here is not the best right now. Should I turn it? All right, guys, and that's how you do that. Thanks for watching.